Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today we're going to take a look at these romaine lettuce shoots. Basically, we started these last year in very poor soil, and so they never really got that big that fast at all. And what you're looking at now is the product of them having bolted due to the weather getting hot. And it started to warm up in February, but that's also when we had the super chills, the freezes. But now it's March the 20, I'm sorry, it's March the 7th, it's the 27th today. And this is the first set of seeds right there. Now there's a few more seeds in there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this off. The wind will actually carry the seeds off because they're like fuzzy looking, the tops, so they act like a parachute, and the wind just blows them around. But what's left here I want to go ahead and gather, so I'm going to pick that and I'm going to take it inside, and we're going to pick through it and pick out the seeds. Now if you look closely here, you can see that this thing is going to open up and there will be new seeds exposed. So I'm going to grab that probably tomorrow or the next day when that happens. Same thing over here. There are several of them ready to open up. They've already been pollinated, and so now the seeds are getting mature and they're going to be ready to open up real soon. There's the pod itself. Let's pull it open and see what seeds we can get out. There they are, folks. There are the seeds right there. I think that's it. Now if you look here, you'll see the sails. These little furry things, they carry the seeds in the wind. Anyhow, we're going to bag these, and I want to stick them in the refrigerator until planting of next year. I'm sorry, not next year, but this year. Late this year, going into winter, I'm going to plant these, because these require lower temperatures to grow. I think around 50 to 70 degrees, somewhere in there. But also I want to go with a really organically rich soil, so that they have a better chance of producing quickly. And we're going to water them probably every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. Have a good day.